The Wurtzen wastewater treatment plant relies on the VTA low-cost process and VTA Nanocarbon.
Here, we successfully implemented the VTA low-cost process with nanocarbon in combination with our inline mixer.
For maximum cleaning performance without costly structural modifications.
My first consideration was to bring forward the implementation of the fourth treatment stage. We commissioned an engineering company which informed us that the investment would amount to 25 million euros. Then, almost like a miracle, the VTA newsletter arrived and we saw an opportunity that truly proved itself to implement the fourth treatment stage even without structural modifications.
Micropollutants, microplastics, and contaminants in wastewater are efficiently reduced, while energy consumption and operating costs are lowered at the same time.
With VTA Nanocarbon, we bind around 94% of germs in the aerosols, which has an incredible positive effect on the air quality here at the wastewater treatment plant.
Today, I can proudly say that together with VTA, we are already achieving the fourth treatment stage through the use of nanocarbon.
We are not waiting for laws and regulations to force us to act. We are taking the step today instead of tomorrow. At the same time, we also see great potential for savings in operational and aeration energy.
The only right solution for the challenges of modern wastewater treatment. VTA, we clean water.